You are a person. And like all people, you like to take pictures and post them to social media so that your friends think you're cool. So go ahead and snap that pic. Your self-esteem depends on it. But wait, there's a problem. You can't take pictures on your phone because you're wearing gloves. And you don't really want to go out and buy a new pair, so what do you do? Hi there. I'm Tony, the creator of Taps. Well, I'm not Tony. Actually, that's Tony. I'm just the actor they hired to play him. So what is Taps, you ask? Well, Taps is this amazing sticker that makes any glove touchscreen compatible. Just peel, stick, and use. Taps will work with any device, like this, and like this. How does it work, you ask? Well, it's simple, really. We took this magical formula that we created before and this super strong adhesive and we bonded them together. Science. And it doesn't just work with gloves either. It works with this, works with this, and it also works with this. Dude. Here, try it yourself.
Yo, that's sick! But will it ruin my gloves?
That is an excellent question. No. No, it will not.
And it's waterproof!
Yeah, Taps will make a pretty great gift for your dad, your brother, your mother doesn't need it, your sister. Back us today.
Prismo is a revolutionary optics attachment designed expressly for smartphone front-facing cameras. Prismo enables hands-free or subtle and unobtrusive photos and videos, which allows you to be fully immersed in the moment. Prismo works with most any smartphone front-facing camera, with or without a case. Prismo works with your favorite camera app since the live image is correctly oriented. Prismo is assembled by hand in the USA with precision optical glass, durable silicone band, and a little bit of magic. Prismo is simple to use. Stretch Prismo onto your smartphone and over the front-facing camera. Open the camera app. Tap the flip camera icon to toggle from rear-facing to front-facing camera. Start capturing photos or videos. Get creative using Prismo's unique perspective.
Selfies, we love them. But no matter how hard you try, they just don't quite come out right. And who can live without the GPS in the car? You can never reach it when that important turn comes around. Trying to prop up your phone for hands-free driving is almost impossible. Until now, meet NanoHold. Nano suction for your mobile device, smartphones, and tablets. NanoHold looks simple, but with nano suction technology, NanoHold material has millions of microscopic suction cups. NanoHold sticks without being sticky, so you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces. Taking group photos with your phone can be as easy as a simple stick by using NanoHold with your phone. Now everyone can get in the picture. In the car, NanoHold makes any phone hands-free. Feels safe to chat with friends. Just stick and go wherever the road may lead you. Getting ready on the go is always a challenge. But with the nano suction technology, NanoHold gives you an extra hand when you need it. Make it easy to give your recipe a look while you're trying to cook. Work on your car hands-free while still being able to see. Have easy access and never lose your phone in the piles on your desk again. NanoHold adds a new dimension to your smart devices. With revolutionary nano suction technology, you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces, leaving you hands-free. The ultra-slim profile of NanoHolds doesn't change the size of your phone, so it will still fit in your pocket or the side pockets of your purse. NanoHold, the nano suction for your mobile device that will make the people in your life smile. NanoHold, simple and easy to use for your smartphone and tablet. Get your NanoHold today.
Hey, this is Jared Green. I'm one of the co-founders of PodStraps. I want to take you behind the scenes as we go for the first time and pair our PodStraps with the new Apple AirPods, which released in stores last week. You'll see a picture at the beginning of an Apple employee sporting our new PodStraps with the AirPods. He was demoing them with us. We took the opportunity to make sure the fit was tight, which it was, make sure that the straps fit properly around our neck, and we already decided to lengthen the straps, and the cord cinch will allow a person of any size to adjust the fit perfectly for them, and we think it's a great product.
Introducing the Mengo MagnaSnap Grip Mount. In the box, you'll find user instructions, 4 metal plates, and 2 MagnaSnap grip mounts. The mount can be applied to nearly any flat surface. To install the MagnaSnap grip mount, find a surface that is flat to apply the adhesive mount to, clean the surface and let it dry. Remove the sticker from the back of the adhesive strip and push the mount firmly into the desired mounting area, holding for at least 2 minutes. For the strongest hold, allow the adhesive to bond for at least 2 hours before using. There are 3 options to apply the metal plates. Adhere the plate directly to the back of the device. Place the metal plate between the battery and the battery cover, or simply place the plate inside your phone's case. Your device is now ready to grip strong with the Mengo MagnaSnap Grip Mount.
Hi guys, I'm Lorenzo.
Hi, I'm Carlo.
Every day smartphones are becoming smarter, but the battery life remains critical. We'd like to use our phones without the fear of running out of battery.
Of course, there are solutions such as power cases and extra batteries, but they're either not portable enough or easy to forget.
We designed a product so compact that will follow you everywhere. A cable the size of an inch. We call it inCharge.
It's a very simple product, yet so useful that we believe everybody should own one.
That's why one of our main goals was to keep it affordable, a tiny product at a tiny price.
We spend on average 70% of our day next to a USB port, and every time it's a chance to top up our batteries.
There are over 5 billion USB ports around the world.
inCharge will fit into your pocket, and you won't have to fight with tangled cords ever again.
Thanks to its remarkably compact design, you can snap it onto your keyring, and there is no chance to forget it at home.
We spent the last 3 months designing the product and testing the prototypes, and now we are finally ready to start the production.
inCharge will be available with both Lightning connector and micro USB, so it's compatible with most of the devices out there.
We are really excited about this, and we hope you are too. Now we need your help to bring inCharge into your pocket.
As a supporter, you will get your own inCharge at a special price, so please consider backing our project and share it with your friends.
Thanks for watching, we really appreciate your support.
Thank
Thanks.
you.